Daddy, watch this video. Hi guys. This is my mom. And my cake is baking in the oven. And mommy helped me bake the cake.
Yes, guys, Ashari has been bothering me for about a few weeks ago, telling me that, yeah, she need a cake to be done. So I said that I was going to assist her to get her cake done. So she have always watching me preparing cake because I do cake on a regular basis for her. So she always watch me do her little cake thing. So she get the chip and you know me to do her cake. She's so excited that she like when me in her video. Sometimes she be reading
it's the
story.
first time in my video.
Yes, it's my first time in her YouTube video. Because I'm not really a video person.
Well, Daddy is not a video person. Not at all.
Right,
not
Daddy.
like you.
Right, Daddy is not a video person. You won't see Daddy on this video on her channel. Only compulsory. You might see her daddy like giving to him or something.
You only can see Daddy on Christmas. Daddy making a video on Christmas Day.
Alright, so what she actually saying that her dad won't be on any of her YouTube video.
Yeah, but the only time I ever can see my daddy is on Christmas. Cause I'm gonna make a video. Cause I'm gonna buy things for mommy and daddy at
Whoa,
Christmas
she have
Eve.
money. She said that she's going to buy things for her. So she
Yeah,
have money.
I'm going to use my birthday money.
Wow. So that's all you're going to buy for me? What are you going to buy for me on Christmas? Because I think Christmas is far away. Because Christmas just gone like recently, about a
I'm
month.
not telling you, cause it have to be a surprise.
Oh, it's got to be a surprise.
Yeah, cause you surprise me.
Oh, so it's your time to surprise me and Daddy.
Yeah, and I'm going to give my present on Christmas Day.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to give my present to you and I at Christmas Day.
Oh, you're going to give your present to me and Daddy on Christmas Day. But suppose I don't buy you any present on Christmas Day. How will you feel?
I don't know how I feel, but it's fine, okay? I don't need anything for Christmas.
What?
I don't need any present for Christmas.
Oh, you don't need
anyway.
any present for Christmas?
Yeah, I have enough toys.
Oh, okay. Yes, guys, so a cake in the oven baking at this moment. So we are here doing a little talk, showing you guys. So yes, the cake in the oven baking at this moment, as I said before.
So I'm going to make a part 2 of the cake.
Oh. So bye guys for now.
Bye. And watch out for part 2 to see how the cake turned out.
Oh, she said watch out for part 2 to see how the cake turned out. And I know you want to see how the cake look because you have been seeing the process of all the ingredients that we use and also you want to see how it look, right? So you need to see the finished product. So you have to stay tuned and always subscribe to her channel, guys. Like up her video. Tell a friend about Princess Shari. She's a very brilliant child, as you can
more
see.
and Princess Shari.
Yes, and watch more of your Princess Shari.
And look out for part 1, 2.
So what is this? This is what? What do you call this? Is it a part 1 or 2? What do you call it?
It's part 1, but look out for part 1.
But if this is part 1 and you're telling them to look out for part 1, what are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say look out for part 1, because part 2 is going to come next. Because if you haven't watched part 1 yet, look out for it.
Oh, so what she's trying to say that you got to watch part 1 before you can see part 2.
So look out for part 1 if you don't see part 1 and you don't see part 2.
Yes, guys, so happy Sunday. I hope you all enjoying your Sunday dinner and having time with family. Because you don't know it's Corona time. You can't really go a lots of places. And you know what I mean? Yes. Tell them bye.
Bye.
Tell them something. Because I hear everyone said that your Hannah's story was very nice the other day. Why you read that story to them?
Huh?
Why you read Anansi's story to them the other day?
I don't know. It wasn't me that think of that idea.
Who think of that idea?
Mommy, she always think of an idea for a video. Daddy, like I say, he's not a video person, so he won't. So that's why there are always videos in the night time. And the nighttime video come out from when mommy come home from work.
So guys, you see what she's trying to say? That is not a video. I hope daddy watching this and can see no. I hope daddy watching and can say, yes, my daughter been cussing me and said I'm not a video person, I want to be in the video.
Thank you, Daddy. What this video?
What daddy must do? What daddy must do?
What the video?
So why daddy supposed to watch this video? Why daddy supposed to watch this video?
To hear what I say to.
Okay, daddy. She said you must watch this video to hear how she's cussing you, telling you that guess what, you need to come in my video. You need to, you know what I mean? Yes. So tell the person then what video you're coming with next. What video you're planning to give them next so they can look forward towards that video. What video you're planning to give them?
I don't know yet. I need to think about it.
Oh, she don't know yet. She needs to think about it. Okay.
But I will do a video next. But I will read the video next. And then
Right. I guess we don't have nothing to say right now.
Yes, I do. I want to sing a song.
Sing a song for them then.
This song what you know.
What I know?
Yes, the song what you know.
Mommy can't sing.
Okay.
So you sing for mommy.
Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the bird that sings. Thank you for the bird that sings. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything. You always make me happy. When I have a problem, you will fix it all.
Whoa, yeah. So I think I'm going to try that song. I'm going to see how perfect I can do it. So help me now, Shari. How that song go?
So say thank you for the world so sweet.
Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the world so sweet.
Thank you for the food we eat.
Thank you for the food we eat. Thank you for the food we eat.
Thank you for the bird that sings.
Thank you for the bird that sings. Thank you for the bird that sings.
Thank you, God, for everything.
Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for everything.
You always make me happy.
You always make me happy.
When I have a problem, you will fix my problems.
When I have a problem, you will always fix my problem. Yes, guys, I did it. Yeah. So what we gonna do now? Mommy shark,
baby shark,
oh
baby
man.
shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, grandpa shark, Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark. Let go on do 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 do. Let go on do 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 do. Let go on.
Tell him by now. I need to go and do something now, guys. This girl want me to have video all day. So bye, guys. It's your girl.
It's finished. It's finished.
Alright, let's tell him. Bye, guys. It's your girl.
Princess Sorry, and subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss one of my video or part 2.
Yes, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and watch more of
Princess Sorry.
And don't forget to tell her
Friend, a cousin, a sister, or a brother.
right, tell everyone
Princess
about the
Sorry.
Princess Shari. Yes, guys. Bye. Have a happy Sunday. Bye. God bless you all.